Follow these steps to add link in TikTok bio. First, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then launch it. You'll be directed to For You page. Now head over to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on the option Edit Profile. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Links. Now go ahead and select the link that you want to add to your TikTok account, Instagram or YouTube. Click on it. You'll get this kind of pop-up. TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in. This allows the app and website to share information about you. Click on Continue. Now you can go ahead and select the Gmail account that you have used for YouTube. Click on it. Click on Continue. And with that, your YouTube account will be linked. Now you can head back. Go to your profile page. Now in your profile page, your YouTube link will be added. So this way you are able to add link in TikTok bio. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.